15 reasons why you might consider using Google Bard instead of CHAT GPT. Google Bard is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot, trained to be informative and comprehensive. It is trained on a massive amount of text data, and it is able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, it can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. Google Bard is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including following instructions and completing requests thoughtfully, answering questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange, generating different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, e.g. In this video, I'm going to talk about 15 reasons why you should consider using Google Bard instead of CHAT GPT. Reason 1. Google Bard is more future-proof than CHAT GPT. Google Bard is powered by Lambda, or Language Model for Dialogue Applications, which is a large language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. Reason 2. Google Bard is free to use. Google Bard is a free service, which means that anyone can use it, regardless of their budget. This makes it a great option for students, educators, and anyone else who is looking for a powerful language model without the cost. Reason 3. Google Bard is constantly being updated with new information. Google Bard is trained on an infinite set of data that is constantly being updated with new information. This means that Google Bard has access to the latest research and news, which can be a valuable asset for students and educators. Reason 4. Google Bard is able to generate creative content. Google Bard is able to generate creative content, such as poems, code, scripts, and musical pieces. This can be a valuable tool for students who are looking to explore their creativity. Reason 5. Google Bard is able to answer your questions in an informative way. Google Bard is able to answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. This can be a valuable resource for students, educators, and anyone else who is looking for information. Reason 6. Google Bard is more scalable. Google Bard is more scalable than CHAT GPT. This means that it can be used by a larger number of people without sacrificing performance. This makes it a more valuable tool for organizations and communities. Reason 7. Google Bard is able to help you with your research. Google Bard can help you with your research by providing you with information on a specific topic, as well as the latest research and news on the topic. This can be a valuable asset for students and educators. Reason 8. Google Bard is still under development, which means that it is constantly getting better. Google Bard is an open-source project, which means that the code is available for anyone to view and contribute to. This makes it possible for developers to learn more about how Google Bard works and to make improvements to the code. Reason 9. Google Bard is more accurate than CHAT GPT. Google Bard has been shown to be more accurate than CHAT GPT in a variety of tasks, such as answering questions and generating text. This is because Google Bard is trained on a larger dataset of text and code, which allows it to learn the patterns of human language more accurately. Reason 10. Google Bard is more unbiased than CHAT GPT. Google Bard has been shown to be more unbiased than CHAT GPT in a variety of tasks, such as answering questions and generating text. This is because the code is available for anyone to view and contribute to, which means that there is more scrutiny of the model's training data and algorithms. This can help to identify and correct any biases that may exist in the model. Reason 11. Google Bard is more ethical than CHAT GPT. Google Bard is trained on a massive dataset of text and code that is carefully curated to be as unbiased and accurate as possible. This helps to ensure that Google Bard is not biased towards any particular group or ideology, and that it generates accurate and truthful information. Reason 12. Google Bard is more transparent than CHAT GPT. Google Bard has a privacy policy that explains how it collects and uses user data. This makes it easier for users to understand how Google Bard works and to trust it. Reason 13. Google Bard is more secure than CHAT GPT. Google Bard uses a variety of security measures to protect user data, including encryption and authentication. This helps to ensure that user data is not lost or stolen, and that it is used only for the intended purpose. Reason 14. Google Bard is more reliable than CHAT GPT. This is because Google Bard is built on a more robust and scalable infrastructure. Google Bard is also constantly being monitored and updated, which helps to identify and fix any potential problems. Reason 15. Google Bard is more user-friendly than CHAT GPT. This is because Google Bard has a simpler interface and uses more natural language. Google Bard is also constantly being updated with new features and capabilities, which makes it even easier to use. Google Bard and CHAT GPT are both large language models, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. Overall, Google Bard is a promising tool that has the potential to be a valuable asset for a wide range of users. It is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks. As it continues to develop, Google Bard has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and the way we access and process information.